Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
My name is Agus and I'm from Ganesha University of Education. And today I would like to present you about our material. Today is about the corpus linguistics, which is we're going to understand the language patterns. Alright, so today we are going to learn about text that is written on the screen. The first is definition, and the second about the types of corpora, and then corpus analysis techniques, applications of corpus, and the last is challenges and the limitations about the corpus itself. So next, we are going to talk about the definition of the corpus linguistic. We know a word corpus here, which is from the Latin language. It means body. Corpus means body, and it's for the plural word is corpora. So the corpus itself means a collection of linguistic data, either written text or a transcription or recorded speech, which can be used as a starting point of linguistic description or as a means of verifying hypotheses about a language. It is from the Dutch Crystal, a dictionary of linguistics and phonetics, Beckwell, 3rd edition in 1991. So we jump to the definition of the corpus, the linguistic. Linguistic is scientific study of language. So if we combine them, the corpus linguistic means the study of language based on large collections of real-life language stored in corpora or corpuses in plural. Computerized databases created for linguistic research is also known as corpus-based studies from Zinmeister 2015. So now we're going to jump into the types of corpora. In the corpus linguistic, we have three types of corpora. The first is monolingual corpora. Before that, we need to understand that we are just learning about the basics, the general. So I will show you about the third of the general of the corpus linguistic, which is they have three types of the corpora or the corpus. The first is monolingual corpora. The first is these are collections of text in a single language, often used for studying language patterns within a specific language. And the second is multilingual corpora. These are collections of text in multiple languages used for comparing language patterns across languages. And the third is specialized corpora. These are collections of text focused on specific topics or domains such as legal text or scientific articles. Those are three types of corpora that we need to understand when we are learning the corpus linguistic. The next is corpus analysis techniques. The first is frequency analysis. This involves counting the frequency of specific words, phrases, or grammatical structures in a corpus to identify patterns and trends. The second is collocation analysis, which means this involves analyzing the concurrence of words to identify common word combinations and patterns. The third is discourse analysis, which is this involves analyzing the structure and organization of text to understand how language is used to convey meaning and create context. So those are three corpus analysis techniques that some people or researchers doing when they are studying about the corpus linguistic. So next, we are going to talk about the applications of corpus linguistic. In corpus linguistic, we have three applications, main or general applications of corpus linguistic, which is used by so many people. The first is language teaching. Corpus application in language teaching is corpus linguistic can help language teachers develop more effective teaching materials and thought by providing insights into how language is used in real-life context. The second is language testing. Corpus linguistic can inform the development of language tests by identifying the most common language patterns and structures used in real-life communication. The third or the last is language planning, which the corpus linguistic can help language planners make informed decisions about language policies and standards by providing insights into how language is used in different contexts. So the last, we are going to understand about the challenges and limitations about the corpus linguistic. We have three here. The first is about the data quality. The quality of the corpus data can significantly impact the accuracy and reliability of the results. The second is data size. The size of the corpus can affect the generalizability of the findings, with larger corpora providing more comprehensive insights. And the third is methodological choices. The choice of analysis technique and methods can influence the result and conclusions drawn from corpus data. So I have a video about the corpus linguistics that we might understand about it. So let's study the video.
Is corpus linguistics, and what are some definitions and examples of corpus linguistics and studies? Corpus linguistics is the study of language based on large collections of real-life language use stored in corpora or corpuses, computerized databases created for linguistic research, also known as corpus-based studies. Corpus linguistics is viewed by some linguists as a research tool or methodology, and by others as a discipline or theory in its own right. Kugler and Zinsmeister conclude that the answer to the question whether corpus linguistics is a theory or a tool is simply that it can be both. It depends on how corpus linguistics is applied. If this video was informative, then like, subscribe, and comment below in the section if you have any questions.
Alright, after we saw the video, we know that corpus linguistics is a bunch of text that is placed in a system that we might use for researching and about learning about new languages. Alright, so we jump into the games or the exercise. We have quizzes here, and then please prepare your phone to start this quiz. Here's the codes, so you can join from the web. Has everyone joined?
Yes.
Yes? We can start the quiz.
Yes. Yes.
Ready? see here. Congratulations, Maria. Alright. Great. Thank you for participating in this quiz. So how about the quiz? Are the questions easy or hard? Alright, that's what I was learning about it. It's hard, so that's fine. We're gonna learn later. So we have coming back to the presentation. All right, ladies and gentlemen. After we learned about the corpus linguistic and we did the quiz, it's time to conclude what we are learning today. So corpus linguistic is a powerful tool for understanding language patterns and trends with application in language teaching, testing, and planning. So thank you for your attention during the presentation with me, and I hope that we can see you again. So thank you so much.